Hello friends, this is Rahul. Let's simply learn robotic process automation with UiPath. In this video, we will copy all the images present in the folder into the Word file, and we will convert that Word file into the PDF file, and we will send that PDF file over an email. Let's open UiPath Studio. Create a new process, image collection, Word and PDF file. Click on create. From main workflow, go to the activity panel, create a sequence. Yeah. I have a few images, so we will copy all these images from this folder and paste it into the Word file. Let me copy this folder into the project folder. Yeah. Now here I'll take one assign activity and create a one variable called files. Here we'll put directory dot get files double quote. We'll give the folder name, images, and comma double quote tar.jpeg format. So we will collect all JPG format images from this particular folder. We will convert that file into the variable called string, array of string. Yeah. Now let's take for each loop files. We will put variable files, and here we will convert type of argument as in string. Now to copy all the images present in the folder into the Word file, for that we have to add package, Microsoft Word package. For that we will go to the manage package, go to the all packages and type UiPath .word .activity. Click on install, click on save, click on accept. Yeah, now if you type word, then all word word activities, word file related activities getting added. Now here we will use one word application scope, and we'll create one file here, one word file, that is image collection. We'll provide a path, Now another activity will be used to add pictures, and then another activity again we will be used here, export to PDF, because we want that file convert to the PDF again. Now here add pictures, we will provide a path. It's image path as in string, so item dot to string, and here we will provide name of the PDF file, image collection. Yeah, it will automatically take .pdf file. So here item.toString, whatever files present in the directory, that image directory, image folder. So it will take each file. Now let's use. Now our next part would be we have to send that file over a email. So for that we will use send email. So here there are many activities present to send email. Here we will use send SMTP mailbox, and we'll drag here. Here we will provide the email ID, subject, image collection PDF file. Now here we have to fill few properties here like port and server, similarly for email and password. So for SMTP we are going to use port as 587 and the server would be smtp.gmail.com. We are using Gmail account to send email. And password. Yep. And now we have to attach our file to the email address, whatever email address, whatever email we'll going to send. So for that we'll click on attachment, create one variable, and here simply we will provide the value of the PDF file, the name of the PDF file in the value column, and click on OK. Yeah. Okay, so that's it in our workflow. Let's simply run this. Let's save and let's run. Yeah, it's open the Word file and copy the image, first image, this second, third. So it will take each images in the present in the image folder. So it will take few iterations. Yeah, execution, I believe, completed. Let's see. You can see the email. We have received the email. Let's see the PDF file. Yeah, all the images present with the extent whatever the image extension having .jpg, so it is present in the PDF file as well as Word file. Yeah, you can see. And let's see the mail. Yes, this is the mail that we have received it. Let's open the image file. Yes, all the images are present. Yeah, in this way you can capture all the images present in the folder, collect it into the Word file, convert that Word file into the PDF file and send it over the mail based on your requirements. I hope this helpful to you guys, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.